As pet owners, we all want the best for our furry friends. We want them to be happy, healthy, and comfortable, and that's why we're excited to introduce you to our calming dog bed. Our fluffy plush dog mat is designed to provide your pets with the ultimate comfort and relaxation they deserve. The calming dog bed is suitable for dogs and cats of all sizes, making it a perfect furniture protector for your home. With its raised rim design, the bed creates a sense of security, providing a safe and cozy environment for your pet to rest and sleep. The bed is made of high-quality, non-toxic materials that are gentle on your pet's skin, making it perfect for those with sensitive skin. The bed is also designed to be easy to clean, thanks to its removable and washable cover. You can easily remove the cover and toss it in the washing machine, ensuring that your pet's bed stays clean and fresh at all times. This feature also helps to prolong the life of the bed, making it a worthwhile investment for your pet's long-term comfort. But that's not all. Our calming dog bed is also an excellent choice for pets with anxiety or nervousness. The raised rim design provides a sense of security, helping your pet feel safe and calm. This is particularly beneficial for pets that suffer from separation anxiety, as it can help to alleviate their stress and anxiety when you're not around. Additionally, the calming dog bed has orthopedic benefits that can help pets with joint pain, arthritis, or other musculoskeletal conditions. The bed's plush cushioning supports your pet's body and distributes their weight evenly, reducing pressure on their joints and providing relief from pain and discomfort. This makes the bed an excellent choice for senior pets or those with mobility issues. It's worth noting that the calming dog bed is not just a bed, it's also a stylish addition to your home decor. The bed comes in a variety of colors and designs, so you can choose one that complements your home's interior. Plus, its compact size makes it easy to move around, so you can place it wherever your pet likes to rest or sleep. Finally, we stand behind the quality of our calming dog bed and offer a satisfaction guarantee. If for any reason you or your pet are not happy with the bed, we will work with you to make it right. We want you and your furry friend to be completely satisfied with your purchase. The calming dog bed is a versatile and practical investment for any pet owner. Its comfort, ease of cleaning, and orthopedic benefits make it an excellent choice for pets of all sizes, ages, and health conditions. Plus, its stylish design and satisfaction guarantee make it a no-brainer purchase. So why wait? Give your furry friend the ultimate comfort they deserve with our calming dog bed today. It's also worth noting that the calming dog bed can be used in various settings, not just at home. It's a great option for pets that travel frequently or for those who need a comfortable resting spot in their crate or carrier during a long trip. The bed's portability and ease of cleaning make it a convenient option for pet owners on the go. Furthermore, introducing a calming dog bed to your pet's routine can have positive effects on their overall well-being. By providing them with a cozy and safe place to rest, you're promoting good sleep hygiene and helping them to relax and unwind. This can result in improved behavior, reduced stress levels, and a happier, healthier pet. The calming dog bed is more than just a comfortable spot for your furry friend to rest. It offers a range of benefits that can positively impact your pet's physical and emotional health. With its high-quality materials, orthopedic support, and stylish design, it's a worthwhile investment that you and your pet will love. So why not give your furry friend the gift of ultimate comfort today? They deserve it.